Hey there, I'm Joe Carter. If you've ever popped the hood and thought, where do I even start? You're in good company. Around here, we take the mystery out of car repair, one fix at a time. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're into learning without the headaches. All right, that's enough from me. Let's get into
Hall
it.
sensor, camshaft position sensor, one of the most important components of the trambuller breaker distributor. It is located near the trambuller shaft. It fixes a plate that allows the passage of magnetic waves, and in appearance resembles a crown. The number of slots in the plate is identical to the number of cylinders in the powertrain. The DCS have an active magnet inside. Hall effect Hall sensors are widely used in the manufacture of automobiles. The device allows you to determine at what angle the camshaft, and even the crankshaft, some cars, has deviated. On cars with archaic powertrain, the device signaled the moment of spark formation. History features of the technology advantages of the newfangled device, small dimensions. The presence of a rectangular signal from the unit, professional terminology, the dialing of a certain and constant value by the unit when it is turned on, with no jumps in voltage. This is a great advantage for the field of electronics control. Sensitivity to interference from electromagnetic fields that occur in the power supply chain. The Hall sensor has a higher cost relative to the magnetoelectric sensor and has lower reliability, theoretically. This is due to its electronic circuitry, production on a large scale. Advanced technology reduces these factors to a minimum. Algorithm of action. The principle of operation of the Hall sensor is based on the change in the trajectory of charged particles in the semiconductor at the transformation of the magnetic field that crosses the semiconductor. The magnetic field is generated by means of a permanent magnet which is located in the sensor. The magnetic field is transformed by closing the magnetic gap with a repeater, metal tooth. The repeater is located on a pulley, or a special setting disc, with toothed elements, which is attached to the camshaft. The repeater at the moment of passing near the device forms a voltage pulse transmitted to the ECU. The signal transmitted to the DC depends on the frequency at which the camshaft rotates and is received at different time intervals. The control unit, ECU, decodes the incoming signals and determines the position of the top dead center of the compression stroke, TDC, of the piston in the first cylinder. After that, the fuel-air mixture enters the combustion chamber and is subsequently ignited. Ground, plus, with an input voltage of about 6V, output terminal. From it, the converted pulse signal is sent to the commutator. On a diesel engine slightly differently functions DX motor, operating on heavy fuel. The signals of the unit are designed to fix the passage of the pistons through the TMT in each cylinder. Thanks to this, the position of the camshaft in relation to the crankshaft is determined with high accuracy. This controls the accuracy of the injection torque, which ensures that the diesel power unit starts immediately and is stable at any speed. In order to realize the set objectives, the design has been modified. The setpoint disc has been modified to have a reference for each combustion chamber. This can include parts of the disc with different angular widths or a set of references located at different distances from each other. Main types Hall sensors are divided into two categories, with analog principle of operation, bipolar. Such a DC converts polar induction into a voltage. The readings of the unit depend on its own polarity, as well as the power of the field. The mounting distance of the unit affects its characteristics. The power unit has problematic starting or does not start at all, idling of the power unit is accompanied by interruptions, bursts, jerking of the vehicle on the move at higher revolutions, engine stops working on the move. The presence of one or more signs is a prerequisite for engine diagnostics. Such symptoms may indicate that the DC is defective. Diagnosis: the Hall sensor can be checked using a voltmeter, using a screwdriver with a Phillips head, with a test lamp, with a piece of wire. Diagnostics with MD1: the device can be checked in several ways. The simplest is to replace the DX beforehand. And if the above signs disappeared, replacement of the native is required, measuring the output voltage with a tester. The device must show voltage spikes in the range of 0.4 to 11 V, imitation of the node. From the trambuller is removed pad with 3 plugs. Turn on the ignition. A piece of wire is connected to the 3/6 outputs of the pad. The formation of a spark indicates that the device needs to be changed. Quick way to check. Hall sensor can be checked without resorting to its complete dismantling. To do this, it is necessary. In conclusion, the Hall sensor plays a crucial role in the ignition system by accurately detecting the position of the camshaft. This vital component ensures that the timing of the ignition is precise, leading to optimal engine performance and efficiency. Understanding the function of the Hall sensor not only highlights its importance in modern vehicles but also emphasizes the intricate technology that keeps our engines running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more about automotive technology in our upcoming videos.